guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are taking an in-depth look at TotalAV Antivirus. So in this review, we're going to see how they compare with other big names in antivirus protection. Now, it's not a secret that tech moves fast. So in a fast-paced world, it's important our antivirus protection can keep up with all of the digital threats. So how does TotalAV measure up? Well, throughout the rest of the video, we'll take a look at some of the features I found when I installed the latest version, how much it costs, what plans they offer, and see if it still does the job. Now, if at any point you decide to try TotalAV, check out the affiliate link in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything, and you get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. So, TotalAV was founded in 2016, with the primary focus of their antivirus software being for home users. And despite being relatively new compared to many of their more seasoned competitors, TotalAV has over 30 million users and earned the top product award from the independent German lab AV Test twice in 2022 and several others since then. They do have a free version, but if you want complete protection, their premium plans are the most affordable option I've seen. Okay, so how does TotalAV work? Well, after you download TotalAV, you'll open the file and click Yes to allow TotalAV to make changes to your device. Then in a few minutes, give or take depending on your network speed, the software will be installed on your computer. Once the program is installed and running, make sure to enable real-time protection. Just a heads up, in case you've been a Microsoft Defender user, the two different programs have been known to clash at times, so it may be necessary to disable the Microsoft program so TotalAV can take over as your default antivirus. So what does TotalAV offer? And most importantly, what does it cost? Well, like I mentioned earlier, there is a free version, and that may be just enough for you because it does a pretty good job. But to get the full benefit of using TotalAV, you'll need a subscription. Okay, so their base plan is called Antivirus Pro. It originally runs for $100 a year, but with the link in the description, you can get the first year for $30 and then go to the retail price at renewal. This covers 4 devices, including PC, Mac, iOS, and Android, with real-time protection that can detect and remove viruses, trojans, and malware, and protection against unwanted ads and spyware, risky file downloads, phishing attempts, and ransomware attacks. And you also get access to utility tools like System Tune-Up, a disk cleaner, and a browser cleaning tool. Now, if you want to protect 6 devices and use their VPN, you can go for the Internet Security Plan, which you can get for $40 for the first year if you use the link in the description, and $130 for each subsequent year. And this is the one I went for because I wanted to test their VPN since I use multiple devices. But if you need protection for more devices, the Total Security is a great option. This plan gets you protection for up to 8 devices at a time. The cost is $50 for the first year with the link below, and $150 for each year after. This plan gives you everything in the Internet Security Plan, plus a basic password manager. All right, so now that we've talked a little about who they are, let's take a closer look at TotalAV's features. So they have 4 kinds of virus scans: a quick scan that takes about 10 minutes, and a more in-depth system scan that will definitely take a little bit longer, depending on how full your device's storage is. But if you want something a little more thorough, but not as time-consuming as a full scan, then there's Smart Scan, which looks for viruses and malware and things like cookies, duplicate files, and junk, which could be slowing your device down. And there's a Custom Scan too, where you can pick folders that you want scanned, which can come in handy if you downloaded something suspicious and want to give it a quick scan. Now, one nice feature they have is real-time protection. They made this feature easy on your device, so you can always leave it on. While, yes, you can turn it off, I'd recommend keeping it on. Now, TotalAV's Web Shield is what protects you from data theft, ransomware, and malicious sites. But be sure to keep it enabled so that it can automatically block unsafe sites and other stuff you don't want in your computer. And finally, there's the Web Shield browser extension that gives you a safe search feature, which runs your web searches through the TotalAV web app. So if you see a red tick, it's telling you the site isn't safe. Now, personally, I'm not a fan of this feature. I ended up disabling it after a week because it was flagging some legitimate sites as being unsafe, so it needs a bit of tweaking. Now, like I mentioned a little earlier, I went for the Internet Security Package because it includes an inbuilt VPN that lets you use the internet in privacy, or lets you stream content from other countries. Think of Netflix. Personally, the VPN itself makes this plan worth it for me. The VPN is powered by Windscribe and lets you keep streaming even if your connection gets interrupted. Personally, this VPN is one of the better ones I've tried, and still works really well on the go with mobile devices too. So just as a reminder, if you do decide to try TotalAV, feel free to check out the link down in the description. It doesn't cost you a cent more, and you get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. Alright, so what does using TotalAV look like? So I downloaded TotalAV on all my devices and my husband's too. I have to mention, I was really surprised how big the installation files are, like over 400 megabytes big, so installation did take a bit of time. But overall, the program itself is simple and straightforward. The whole program is run from a single panel in the app, and the malware alerts are super helpful. I've read some complaints online about scan times and computers being slowed down or freezing. Personally, I was able to scan 80 gigabytes of system files in around a half hour, which I thought was pretty fast, but to each their own. And like I mentioned a little earlier, my personal favorite feature of TotalAV is the built-in VPN. You can use it for fun, like accessing different countries' content on streaming sites, or for the privacy a VPN gives you. As a downside though, they don't have parental controls if that's something you'd look for, although a lot of devices come with built-in controls, so I don't see it as a huge deal. So we all know there are a lot of antivirus companies out there. If you're watching review videos, chances are you are aware too. So that being said, how does TotalAV compare to other popular antivirus subscriptions? I've also used Norton and McAfee, which just like TotalAV offer a free service and premium plans too. Okay, so from what I've seen, Norton scans have been noted to be a bit faster and slightly more accurate than TotalAV, but both have an easy-to-use design and pretty good customer service, although Norton has slightly better response times. But when we look at web security, TotalAV's Web Shield generally gets fewer false positives, and Norton may be a better fit for you because it offers a slightly better range of features and a firewall. But TotalAV's VPN is much better, and the system cleanup tools also stand out to me. So which one is better really depends on your needs. Now, in terms of McAfee, it does cost a bit more for the first year, and it did slow my computer down while it was running scans, which I didn't notice with TotalAV. To me, both are pretty equal in terms of web protection. So let's take a look at their features. So what I like about McAfee is that it has a firewall control feature and decent parental controls. But in terms of VPN, TotalAV's is much better if you ask me. Now honestly, both have a pretty decent password manager, and their mobile apps I would consider equal, although McAfee offers more mobile features, so really it depends on your needs. But I personally prefer TotalAV as a complete package. So the question you've been waiting for: is TotalAV the best antivirus you can get? Bottom line is yes, I would say it is one of the best antiviruses on the market in 2024. And when it comes to web protection and device cleanup tools, they're some of the most efficient you'll find. Plus, it offers solid real protection without slowing down any of my devices, and it's highly rated by independent labs for malware detection and low false positives. But for me, what puts it ahead of other premium antivirus subscriptions is the unlimited VPN that is included with the package, which I know I've mentioned it several times, but really guys, it is that good. So if that's something that you'd be looking for, I'd say you're making a very good choice by going for TotalAV to protect you and all your devices online. And that wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. Now, if you want to give TotalAV a try, check out the affiliate link in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything, and you get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And as always, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave any questions you might have or your thoughts on TotalAV down in the comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you as fast as I can. And finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.